Flux is one of the best AI image generators out there right now. It lets you create stunning, high-quality, and ultra-realistic AI images using different Flux models. But one big challenge has been keeping characters consistent across images. The good news? Flux just released a new model called Flux Kontext, which solves this problem. It keeps key elements, like a character or object, consistent across different scenes and backgrounds. Now, you can maintain the same characters, scenes, or details in all your AI-generated images. In this video, I'll show you how to access Flux Kontext and use it to generate images with consistent characters. Don't forget to subscribe and hit play to learn how. You can access the Flux Kontext model on the Flux Playground. However, I will put the link in the description. This is the Flux Playground. Once you create an account, you will get 200 credits to generate images. Okay, to generate the images, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. For example, I am typing a selfie image of a young American woman. After entering the prompt, you can add a reference image. For this time, I will only generate the model image. So, I won't use any reference. Now, select the perfect Flux model. You can see that the Flux.1 Kontext Pro model is selected. You can change the model from here. As I will use the Kontext Pro model, I won't change the model. Now if you click on the three-dot menu from here, you will find several options like aspect ratio, batch size, safety, output format, and seed. Set all the values as per your need, and once everything is set, hit the send button. Now we have to wait for some time. And here it is. The images are ready. And look at the quality of the images. They are just amazing. The model looks so realistic. It looks like a real selfie image. All the images are great. Now I will download one of the images and then create consistent character images using the Flux Kontext. To download any image, select the image, and then click on the three-dot menu from here, and then download the image. Okay, our model image is ready. Now it's time to generate more images with this image or face. So, I am uploading the image as the reference image. Once the image is uploaded, enter the prompt. I am entering a very simple prompt. The woman wearing a denim jacket and jeans. She is riding a bike on a busy street. Basically, mention the object and then type what you want in your image. After entering the prompt, set the model, and then come to the settings options. Set the aspect ratio, number of images, and other settings. Once everything is set, hit the send button. And here it is. You can see that Flux Kontext generates 4 images for us. And look at the quality of the images. All the images have similar facial features to our reference image. It perfectly creates high-quality images with natural effects. The prompt adherence is quite good. It perfectly portrays what I mentioned in the prompt, although I entered a very basic prompt. In this method, you can create any kind of image using text prompts. For example, this time I am typing, "The woman wearing a party red gown stands gracefully in a ballroom." After entering the prompt, I am setting all the settings and then hitting the send button to generate the new images. After waiting for some time, I got these results. It perfectly placed the character as per my prompt. Look at the quality of the images. This is amazing. So, to get high-quality images, we need some detailed prompts. You can use my prompt if you want. Now, let's assume I want the same image, but in a different outfit or different color, or add a new element. You can do it using the Edit feature. You will find the Edit feature here at the bottom left corner. Once you click on the Edit option, a new prompt box will appear. Now, we have to mention what we want to change in the image. For example, I am typing, "Change the red gown to a black gown with diamonds in the neckline." After entering the prompt, hit the send button and then wait for some time. And here it is. New images are ready. And look at the quality of the images. They are just awesome. The Flux Kontext model perfectly replaces the outfit and color red with black. I really love the feature. Not only edit, but here on the left side, you will find various tools to customize images, such as fill and expand. For example, I want to add a logo to this image. So, what do you need? I am selecting the fill tool and then uploading the image. Once the image is uploaded, select the area where you want to add any element. Once the area is selected, type what you want in the area in the prompt box. For example, I am typing, "Add a logo of Nike," and then hit the send button. And here they are. Flux Kontext perfectly adds the Nike logo to the selected area. So, now you can add any element to any image without changing any other part of the image. Okay, next we have the Expand tool. With this tool, you can expand any image to any size. Just upload the image and then select the size and generate the image, and you will get the results like this. Okay, you can see that we have already used almost all the credits. Now, if you want to add more credits, you have to pay 1 cent for every credit. Instead of buying credits on Playground, I will use Flux Kontext on another platform called Chat LLM Team by Abacus AI. Here you will get access to almost all the popular LLM models, a vast number of AI image generators like Flux Kontext, and AI video generators like Google VO3. All of these are only for $10 per month. Okay, this is the Chat LLM Team homepage. Here at the top, you will find all the LLM models. As I will use Flux, this is not important to me at this moment. To access the image generator, select the image option from under the prompt box. This is the Chat LLM Team AI image generator. First, we have to select the image generation model. I am selecting the Flux Kontext model. After that, select the number of images you want to generate. Next, enter the text prompt. I am entering, "The woman wearing a red bikini walking on a seaside." After entering the prompt, if you want to rewrite the prompt to improve the image generation results, then turn on this option. Next, set the Flux Kontext model between Pro and Max. Now we have to upload the reference image. I am uploading the same image. After that, set the aspect ratio, and in the end, set the seed. However, the seed number and the number of images won't work as I upload a reference image. Okay, now hit the Generate button to generate the image. And here it is. You can see that Flux Kontext perfectly creates an image with our model face according to the prompt. And the result is just amazing. Okay, now let's see how it works with the product image. I am entering the prompt as a model holding the perfume bottle in her hand. After entering the prompt, I am uploading the product image. Once done, set all other settings, and then hit the Generate button. After waiting some time, I got this result. Flux Kontext creates amazing images with the perfume bottle. This is exactly the same perfume bottle I uploaded as the reference, and the result is really amazing. So, in this method, you can create amazing product images using the Flux Kontext model, and the result is amazing. In this method, you can create amazing product photos with consistent results. In conclusion, Flux Kontext is now the most powerful image generator to create consistent characters, and you can use Flux on the Chat LLM team only for $10 per month. It's a great deal. So, you can try it. The link will be in the description. All right, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Flux Kontext AI image generator model. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!